Look, there he is. Alberto Hernandez. He's on the water. He got a tether. He's learning. He's learning. They're helping him learn the kayak. You see the string? So he's tied. He's tied. So he's out in the water now. He's gonna come back. I'm gonna leave the camera on.
No, así lo está parando. Ahí, ya está dando vuelta.
Look at him. Oh my gosh. Look, Jessica, look at your daddy. Your daddy's having a good time, Jessica. All he needs is his fishing pole. His friend Vinton is on his other kayak. Let me see if I can see Vinton. I don't even see Vinton, but Vinton's out in the water fishing in another kayak. They're happy they got these kayaks. They got them at a really good deal. Look at your daddy, Jessica. Alberto, say hello to your daughter, Jessica. He said, no, I can't. You can't turn your head this way? You don't know how to move?
Yeah. Reme más fuerte, más rápido, más veces. O al lado contrario.
He found a fishing buddy. Just oh,
Creo que Alberto se nos pierde.
look at that guy out there. I don't know who this guy is. There's a guy out there fishing. Can you? No, he's. I don't know what he's doing. Let me see.
Dale. Oh, sí.
Oh, I see Vinton. Vinton's really fishing. Oh, let me step down here. See if you can see. Everybody's out here having a good time this morning. See, there's Vinton. If you can see him. I tried to put it on. Where is it? There's Vinton. Oh my goodness, I'm moving the camera. I'm trying to learn how to use it. See Vinton? Now look at your daddy. Jessica, look at your daddy. He's learning how to kayak. Nice on the lake. We're on the lake, Jessica. Oh, Jessica, you need to come visit. We can come here with the babies, with the children. This would be perfect for the children. Go fishing on the lake. Carmelo, you're welcome. Come. Carmelo, come fishing with your daddy-in-law. Nice. Adios.